Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight session, where every Thursday we introduce to you a tool, function, feature, application, extension, software that's going to enhance your day-to-day digital marketing life. Now, usually we tend to introduce new tools and functions to you so you can absorb and learn about new things. But today it's going to be a little bit different, and we're going to be talking about Google Analytics and about the retention of user and event data. Now, if you are logging into Google Analytics regularly, you would have known that there is a big message in yellow, right? I'm going to show you what it is now. That's to do with data retention controls. So what this means is that there is a setting that you should go into to actually change the setting so you can actually retain all your user and event data. Now, to get to this, right, you go through the admin, and then you go to tracking info and data retention. And there's a button here that says user and event data retention, 26 months, right? And you can just change it to do not automatically expire. Now, just be very careful. If you are operating outside of the EU, right, then the general recommendation would be to set it at do not automatically expire. If you also do not have data, visitor data from the EU, right, then you should definitely recommend to set it to do not automatically expire. However, if you have any data that is connected to affiliated with the EU, right, that is something that you should probably consult with someone about, especially with the change in regulation with the introduction of GDPR, which is the General Data Protection Regulation. So the short summary is, if you have no affiliation, if your data has no connection to EU, right, then we do recommend to set it to do not automatically expire so you can keep all your data. But if you do have affiliation connection, your data with EU, right, then we recommend you to seek additional advice on what you should be actually setting here. Okay, cool. So this video is about the update on Google Analytics, data retention controls, and slightly a little bit about the GDPR. It's something that is actually really quite landmark, and if you don't know about the GDPR, we recommend you to go and check it out, read up about it, and start to understand it much more, particularly if you're dealing with data that is connected with the EU. Okay, cool. So yeah, so remember, this comes into effect. The data retention controls, new data retention controls for Google Analytics comes into effect soon, 25th of May. So be sure to update all your properties via the method that we just showed you. Okay, cool. And with that, have a great week, and we'll see you